In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 tips to optimize your Etsy shop to increase your sales for the upcoming holiday season. Now, if you're watching this and it is over, the holiday season's over, please understand that these 3 things will still increase your sales. It's just, we're expecting a lot more traffic around the holidays, but definitely still implement these 3 things I'm about to share with you. And if you stick with me to the end, I'm gonna give you a little bonus tip that you can turn on immediately and start to see sales increase. And it's something that I've tested recently. One of my private clients tested, and it worked for both of us. So I'm gonna share that with you, so stick around. All right, so the very first thing, the very first tip I'm gonna give you is adding more products. Now, before you go running away thinking that you have to create brand new products, you do not. What you will want to do if you are doing print on demand, or even if you're not, if you have 2 or 3 products that go well together, create a bundle. Create more products for that one customer to potentially buy, to increase the order value. So this way here, someone comes in looking for one product, and then they start looking at your other products, and then they start to think to themselves, man, maybe I should get that, or maybe I should add that. Or as they're in your shop getting ready to make a purchase, they're also going to be recommended other products that are related to the one that they're about to buy. Or the other cool thing that'll happen is Etsy will actually start to recommend some of your other products while they are shopping. So that's why we want to have more products in our store. So this way here, we have more things that one customer potentially can buy. And the other reason I want to add more products is because now we also create new product listings that get a little extra love from Etsy. And within the first couple of weeks, they will start to push those a little bit more because they're new items and they're fresh listings. All right, so tip number 2. We all know that Amazon has really built their business around Prime. And a lot of people that are using Prime, why are they using Prime? I'm gonna let you think about that for a minute. Well, I won't let you think too long. It's because you're getting free shipping and you're getting it really quick. So if you're on Etsy and you're not offering free shipping, you really need to consider that, because people are thinking to themselves, let's see, that person over there or that business is offering free shipping and you are not. Where are they going to go? Even if your product is a little bit lower, but you're adding shipping, they're going to do the math. But if you put free shipping in there, it shows up nice and bright. So this way here, they know they're getting free shipping. And then also Etsy is going to want to promote that product a little bit more because, well, they know that people want free shipping, so it's going to convert even better. But then I hear a lot of people saying, well, I don't want to offer free shipping because that's going to take up some of my profit. Well, listen, let me ask you this question. Do you charge people what you pay for the product? The answer is probably yes, right? If you purchase the product or you're using print on demand and it costs you $10, you're charging $25 or $30, right? That's your markup. Well, why not build the shipping in there too and then just wrap it up into one? People know that you're doing that, but they still want one price to pay, and they want to know that they're not paying $12.50 for shipping. They just don't want to know that. So just roll it up in there. If you have to build it into your price, do that, but make sure that you're adding free shipping because it's going to increase your conversions inside of your shop and you're going to be able to increase those sales. So you should consider offering free shipping, especially for items over $35. So tip number 3, and this is another one that I hear some pushback from sellers, and that is turning on Etsy ads. And the thing is, we are going to allow Etsy to put our products out there in front of our ideal customers immediately. But listen, I'm not saying you have to run ads on all of your items. Take your ones that are popular, take your ones that have good margins, and use those as the lead in to your business. You see how that works? We've all done that before. We see a coupon in the paper. We say, oh, we're gonna get a bottle of soda and you buy one, get one free. Well, you go in the store and you end up leaving with a whole bunch more stuff, right? That's how it works. It's the same thing with our Etsy shop. We want to use the tools that are available. So use the Etsy ads to get out there, to get someone to come into your shop. And then once they come in your shop, Guess what? You've got more products now because we already covered that, and they're going to be able to increase the value of what they are spending and their cart value. And also, you're going to be able to convert at a higher rate because, well, you're offering free shipping too. You see how it all works together? And if you combine all three, you can see that this has a compound effect on everything that's happening within our shop. So, as promised, I want to give you a bonus tip. And this here, again, can increase your sales almost overnight. Sometimes it will be overnight. And here's what I'm talking about. If you run a sale using the sale feature inside of Etsy, it is going to, number one, show up in other places where sale items are made available to an Etsy shopper. It's also going to be notifying the people that have favorited that item as well. And you're going to have people that are coming into your store that are going to now see there's a strike through on the regular price and then the sale price. And you're going to see that nice little green badge there that says either how much time is left or that there's a sale running. So you want to use that feature because what happens is it turns people into customers because everyone likes a sale. And that's what we want to do. So I would run a sale, try to run them no more than 5 days. And if you want to keep running them, you can. But what happens here, and here's another little bonus tip, when you leave it to a 5-day window, once we get to that tail end, it's going to start saying 15 hours left or 9 hours left. And that starts to create urgency and scarcity for someone to buy the product. So that's a little bonus tip there for you. Run a sale using the Etsy sale feature and you'll probably increase your sales. So there you go. 3 tips, actually 4 tips to increase your sales this holiday season in your Etsy shop. And listen, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, smash the like button, let others know that you loved it. That's how this video will get out there to more Etsy shops to help them. And then also drop a comment down below if you have any questions or any comments that you want to leave, even some of your own tips that have increased your sales. I'd love to see them. And this way here, we can help everyone and we can work together. And if you did enjoy this video, I'm going to put another video right here that's going to show you how we optimize our listings with SEO to really make sure that we can maximize the search rankings so we can get more visitors to our shop. Go ahead, watch that video next. I really enjoyed making this video for you. I hope it really helps you increase your sales this holiday season, and I will see you in the next video.